Hi everyone, my name is Naveen. I am pursuing my second year MSc. My topic is types of network. Computer network, a collection of computing devices that are connected in a various way in order to communicate and share resources. Usually, the connection between computer in a network are made using physical wires or cable. However, some connections are wireless using radio waves or infrared signals. The generic terms nodes or host refer to any device on a network. Data transfer rate, the speed with which data is moved from one place on a network to another. The data transfer rate is a key issue in computer networks. Computer networks having opened up an entire frontier in the world of computing called the client or server model. This diagram shows the request and response of client and server. File server, a computer that stores and manages files for multiple users on a network. Web server, a computer dedicated to respond to requests from the browser. Type of networks. Local area networks are called LAN, a network that connects a relatively small number of machines in relatively close geographical area. Various configurations called topologies have been used to administrate LANs that are ring topology, star topology, and bus topology. In ring topology, a configuration that connects all nodes in a closed loop on which messages travels in one direction. In star topology, a configuration that centers around one node which all other connected and through which all messages are sent. In bus topology, all nodes are connected to single communication line that carries message in both directions. This diagram shows the various network topologies of ring topology, star topology, and bus topology. A bus technology called Ethernet has become the industry standard for local area network. Another type of network is WAN, wide area network, a network that connects two or more local area network over a potentially large geographic distance. Often, one particular node on a LAN is set up to serve as a gateway to handle all communication going between that LAN and other network. Communication between network is called internetworking. The internet as we know it today, it is essential the ultimate wide area network spanning the entire globe. Now let us know about the last type of network, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. The communication infrastructure that have been developed in and around large cities. So, who owns the internet? Well, nobody does. No single person or company owns the internet or even control it entirely. As a wide area network, it is made up of many smaller networks. These smaller networks are often owned and managed by a person or organization. The internet then is really defined by how connection can be made between these networks. This diagram shows how local area network connected across a distance to create a wide area network. Let us talk about internet connection. First, internet backbone, a set of high-speed networks that carry internet traffic. These networks are provided by companies such as AT&T and GTE and IBM. Internet Service Provider (ISP), a company that provides other companies or individuals with access to the internet. There are various technology available that you can use to connect a home computer to the internet. There are three models: a phone modem, a digital subscriber line, a cable modem. First, a phone modem converts computer data into analog audio signal for transfer over a telephone line, and then a modem at the destination convert it back again into data. A digital subscriber line (DSL) use a regular copper phone lines to transfer digital data to and from the phone company's central office. A cable modem use the same line that your cable TV signal comes into on to broadband, a connection which transfer speeds are faster than 128 bits per second. DSL connections and cable modems are broadband connection. The speed for downloads getting data from the internet to your home computer may not to be the same as uploads. Sending data from home your home computer to the internet. So I hope all you understand my presentation. Thank you one and all.